Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the object comparison in the JavaScript. But first of all, I would say that there is no perfect of object comparison in the JavaScript. So I'm going to use one solution which is simple, small, but it is limited. So let me just write the solution here first. So first of all, I have to declare the two objects here. Alright, so I will just simply copy paste this object, but only give it a different name here, the product2. Alright, so if I just directly compare product 1 and the product 2, it will always return us the false value. Even it's a product, it will always return us the false value because we cannot compare the products like this. And there is no proper solution for comparing the product, but I'm gonna show you one solution which is small, fast, but it's limited. So I'm gonna write here JSON stringify product1 equal operator. Let me just copy this and paste it here, product2. Alright, so let's just save the answer and variable. Let's just compare this again. Let me just run it, and now you can see here in the first approach it will always return you the false value. This is not a way of comparing the two objects, but we have a sort of solution which is limited, and it will only work when we have the simple JSON style objects without methods. And the other thing is that the order of their properties must be same. Alright, so if I just try to reverse the order here, it will simply return me the false. Let me just run it again. So this is how it works. So this is how you can use this solution for comparing the objects in a small scope. So this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.